Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Pāvilosta Residence, a stunning architectural masterpiece located in the picturesque town of Pāvilosta, Latvia. Designed by OAD Open Architecture Design, this home is a perfect fusion of modern aesthetics and traditional coastal architecture. From the very first glance, the residence captivates with its clean, minimalist lines and dual-sloped roof, which echo the historic charm of the region's fishing villages. The wooden exterior, inspired by the colorful wooden homes of Pāvilosta, pays homage to local tradition while incorporating a contemporary edge. The marine-inspired hues blend harmoniously with the surrounding natural landscape, creating a seamless integration between architecture and environment. Strategically positioned parallel to the Baltic Sea, the residence boasts expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, offering panoramic views of the coastline and inviting natural light to flood the interiors. The carefully arranged layout features a central courtyard, creating a private sanctuary while maintaining a strong connection to the sea breeze and coastal scenery. Sustainability is at the core of this design. Solar panels crown the rooftops, while the structure's thoughtful use of materials, including timber and metal, ensures longevity and harmony with nature. The sliding shutters not only enhance privacy but also serve as a protective element during the off-season. The living area centers around a sleek, minimalist fireplace, offering a cozy gathering point while maintaining the room's modern elegance. Every element, from the linear lighting fixtures to the understated furnishings, speaks to the art of restraint, allowing the views of the outdoors to take center stage. The open-plan kitchen and dining area continue this theme of connection and functionality. Simple yet refined, this space is a testament to how thoughtful design can elevate daily living. The clean lines, natural materials, and panoramic views create an environment that is both calming and inspiring. The kitchen and dining spaces are a testament to the home's minimalist ethos and the seamless connection between design and nature. At its core, the custom island steals the show with its clean lines and floating design, effortlessly combining form and utility. Sunlight streams through the full-height glass windows, making every corner glow while offering breathtaking views of the coastal landscape. Imagine preparing meals here, with the soothing Baltic Sea in the background, a true culinary escape. The dining area invites you with its understated charm. The solid wood table, paired with natural woven chairs, brings warmth and character to the space. Above it hangs an industrial-style pendant lamp, perfectly blending modernity with the home's cozy aesthetic. The tall ceilings lined with natural wood panels amplify the sense of openness, while the neutral tones create a calming atmosphere. The large glass door opens up to stunning coastal views, inviting the natural beauty right into the room. Imagine waking up to the sight of golden meadows and the shimmering Baltic Sea in the distance. Next, we move to the bathroom, a hidden gem of design. With clean lines and a soft, muted palette, the space is a retreat of calm. The frosted glass door adds a touch of privacy while letting in natural light.